Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbiye. Today's I will tell you about the story of the magical flour mill. The magical flour mill means Jadui Chakki. The once upon a time, in a small village, he nestled amidst lush green fields, and they are excited humble flour mill, but this was no ordinary mill. It is a paused a magical secrets. It was known as the Jadui Chakki or the magical flour mill. The legends whispered that anyone who used it would be granted extraordinary blessing and wisdoms. Then world of the Jadui Chakki spread far and wide, that captivating the curiosity of the people from distant lands, and they heard tales of its incredible powers, and whispered for one generation to the next. And the mill stood as a symbol of hope and possibility, then promising and abundance and eliteness. That means enlightenment, and to those who were fortunate enough to encounter it. Then one day, a younger villager named Raju stumbled upon the Jadui Chakki, and by the story he had heard, he approached it with reverence and respect. As he began turning the mill, and he was astonished to witness the transformations, and before his eyes. Then the grains powered into the mill transformed then into the finest flour, then overflowing with goodness and nourishments. Then but it wasn't just the flour that was enhanced with a very rotation of the wheel. The Jadui Chakki wisdom into Raju's ears, and the mill shared a tale to kindness and preservance, and the importance of sharing one's blessing with others. Then Raju listened to the attentively, then absorbing the profound and then a lesson that inhaled through the air. There one time one time Raju became a mere observer. Then he became an embodiment of the mill's teaching, and he was shared a magical flower with his fellow village, and ensuring that no one went hungry. The floor not only stratified their physical hunger, then but also nourished their souls, and they could feel the love and care that Raju had imbued into it. Then the Jadui Chakki power grew stronger with each act of compressions, and then it transformed the lives of those who encountered it, inspiring them to the kinder. Then more understandings, and people from all walks of a life began to gather round the meal, and drawn by its enhancement, the transformative impact had on their lives. The story of the Jadui Chakki serves as a timeless reminder that the greatest treasures in life are often found within ourselves. It urges us to embrace kindness, to uplift others, and to cherish the simple blessing that surround us every day. Be the beer of a magical flower, and spending flow, nourishment, and wisdom where you go. Okay, thank you.